Now we are going to see database 7th experiment. It is PLSQL programming 1. Here we are using triggers and cursors. Here are the 6 questions. Here we are going to implement triggers and cursors on a furniture company database. Trigger definition and the cursor definitions I have given in the description. In a DBMS, a trigger is a SQL procedure that indicates an action, that is fires as action, when an event, that is insert, delete, update occurs. Since triggers are event driven, specialized procedures, they are stored in and managed by a database. Each trigger is attached to be single and specified table in a database. And a cursor is an object used to pinpoint or records in a database. Just like a typing cursor is used to alert you where your text is appeared. And the database cursor also shows you a specific record in a database that is being worked upon. Now we are going to see. First, we have to create a simple trigger that does not allow to delete operation on a supplier table. For that, we are using for creating or replacing trigger T1 before delete on supplier. For each row, we have to declare begin. If deleting, then price underscore application underscore error of minus 2000 comma delete cannot be possible and end. That is the trigger is created. Then the second, we have to create a trigger that raises an user defined error message and does not allow updating the order table. For this, we are using before update on order 1. For each row, declare begin. If updating, then we have to rise. As we did in first, we are using update operation cannot be executed. Then, as usual, end of fun. Here is the output. The trigger is created. And the third, we have to write a PLSQL script to display supplier details who says rating greater than 3. We are using cursor. Cursor 1 is select star from supplier where rating is greater than 3. X supplier percentage row type begin and open C1. Then for we are using while if the product IDs are and the X dot product ID. Then we have fetch C1 into X. Then we are ending loop as usual. Here are the product IDs. It came. Then the output is PLSQL procedure successfully completed. Then the fourth one is we have to write the PLSQLs to whose order quantity is greater than by using 10. By using cursor we have to do this. Then for this y order quantity percentage row type we are using. Then as usual for the third we are using. Then fetch C2 into 5. The product IDs are given. As per the third we did this. As is the third we did this. Then we have to create a trigger to warm when the supplied quantity is greater than ordered quantity. We are using create or replace trigger 3 before updating and supply for each row begin if new.ordered underscore quantity greater than order.ordered underscore quantity, then rise for update operation cannot be executed. We are using this. We are using we derived the output and we created a trigger. And the sixth is we are creating a trigger to update a order table whenever a customer ID is updated in the customer table. Before update and customer, for each row begin, we are using old dot customer underscore id, then update order 1 o set o dot customer underscore id and new. Before we used old and now we are using new. This is for seventh experiment. Thank you for watching.